Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some easy honey barbecue meatballs. Come on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a liner in our slow cooker. And I've got my slow cooker turned on high. You don't have to put the liner in. It sure does cut down on the mess. Now, here I've got a small green pepper and about half of an onion that we're going to put in there. Your favorite barbecue sauce. I like the no sugar Baby Ray's. And we're going to put, just kind of guessing, we're going to put about a cup of barbecue sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid smoke. About a teaspoon. And we're going to put some honey in there. About a 1/4 cup. Okay, now we're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to add some of the home-style meatballs that I get at Walmart. It's the 2-pound bag. Yeah, we're going to have these several days this week. Now I'm just going to stir these and get everything mixed in together. I might have to let that heat up a little bit more because I poured these on there cold. Now you can let these thaw out, and it takes on high about 2.5 hours. But I'm going frozen, so we're going to do high for 4 hours. And I'm going to go ahead and get this all stirred around so that we can get that sauce on these meatballs. There we go. Sorry y'all, kind of doing this old school here. I've packed away my tripod because we are going on vacation, going on a cruise, and I should have thought about that first, right? But there we go, stirred up, and I have it on high, and I'll see you in about 4 hours. Okay. Needless to say, these smell absolutely delicious. I have stirred them around several times. Oh. So, I guess I should have started a little sooner. But let's give it a taste and see. Shall we? Nice and steamy. Nice and hot too. Ooh, very hot. Oh, that sauce. That sauce. Mm-hmm. Yep, that sauce is delicious. Oh, wait a minute. That's just too hot. Mmm. Now I'm going to fix some white rice to serve this with. This would be perfect on a served with mashed potatoes. Put on a sub bun. Oh, yeah, that would taste great. I like the little char that it's got to it. Mmm. Mmm. It's still hot. But it's so good. My goodness, those are so good. Had I not had some brunch already, then I would be having me some of these right now. But once Tom gets in here and I get this all plated up, we'll get him to do his taste test and see what he thinks about it. Okay, Tom is home now, and he's going to go ahead and give these a try. He came in first thing and says, "What is in that crock pot?" In a good way, y'all. In a good way. Yeah, I thought so too. I want to serve those on some rice, with some rice.
I'll have a second one.
All right, well, there you go. It's a hit. He likes it. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you'll know every time we put new content on. So you all take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.